Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be reviewing TP-Link DECO BE3600 whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 system. It is also called WB10800 and it has a 3 routers, so one will work as a router and other two as an access point. This is having a 2 band Wi-Fi 7 system, so it is not tri-band, so it is dual band, and it has a 4K QAM because of the Wi-Fi 7, and it has a multi-link operation MLO, so that it can connect using Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and also 2.5 channel for faster connectivity even through the Wi-Fi, and it has 160 megahertz bandwidth, and all other features are similar to other TP-Link routers. As we can see here, on 5 gigahertz it can connect on 2882 Mbps speed, and on 2.4 gigahertz it can connect with 688 Mbps, and with wired it can have 1 Gbps wired backhaul as well, and it can connect more than 150 devices, and it has enhanced security with Home Shield that comes with the Deco app of the TP-Link. We will also do onboarding to that Deco app later in this video. Alright, so I'm currently opening it. Let's do the unboxing, what all things are inside that, and how we can set up the Wi-Fi. Front face. Alright, so it has a 3 Deco router, which are very pretty cool and design. I like the design. It's very small and can fit into a palm, and it has 2 gigabit 1 Gbps ports. It can work either as WLAN or as a LAN, and it has a power, so it can. Alright, so design looks pretty good, and when I'm weighting it, it's little bit medium size weight is there, not very heavy, so I think it's good to manage. Let's put other two Deco systems as well to the next to it. Alright, so this is how you can put the Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it looks pretty nice on the table. Alright, so now let's move to the next part where we can see what all the accessories are there with this BE3600 router. Okay, so with this mesh system, I'm expecting there are 3 total power adapter devices to give power to all 3 mesh system routers. Okay, looks pretty big, and let's see what is the length of the wire. Alright, seems like it is pretty decent length. Alright, so it seems like around 1.5 meters of length of the wire, and yeah, I'm not opening others. I think it is all same. I really love the shape of the device, the router. Okay, alright, so there is one more Ethernet cable having a quick installation guide, and there are 2 other devices, plug-in adapter as we talked. Alright, so that's all. It's a pretty all the required things and no junk. Now let's see what is there in the quick installation guide. Right, so currently I'm trying to connect one device with the plug and see how does it. Yeah, so when I connected first time, it sounds like it is showing me a yellow light, and I need to see the quick installation guide. How does it, what does it mean? This is pretty cool. Ethernet cable. I think this is to connect to router, but it's a very good design and so smooth when I touch it.
Quite enough to just
I think this also can be used to sync the pods to the main deco router. Alright, so after that, let's move to the, I plugged this system to the router. So as per their,
alright, so this is
their quick installation guide, and they are giving inside what the light means. Alright, so let's now move to the installation of the application. Download it from App Store or Play Store and select the device, and you need to scan the TP-Link device on the back. So this is how it gets connected, and then you should have the power adapter and Ethernet cable with you. So when you have these all devices, it asks that you should turn up the power of your modem. And if you do not have modem, they have other instructions. I'm not going through that, but currently I'm running towards my modem to turn off the modem. And I think once it turned off and then I move to next screen, it is asking me to connect both and connect the power to modem as well as to the TP-Link DECO BE3600, and connect the wire to the router from the router to the deco device. Alright, so let's see how does it look like when I connected. So I think it, after some time having a yellow light, it started giving me a signal. So this is also asking me to wait for checking the modem if it is connected properly, and then we will see how does it look like on our deco TP-Link router device. Okay, so I have checked my modem. It seems like it is now connected to the internet, and then when I connected deco device, it looks like it is trying to set up the device. So it is blinking blue, and as we can see, we need to wait until deco's LED pulses blue from the solid, and now it is ready for setup. So what we'll do next is we'll click on the app at the next button, and it will try to turn it green as what I have seen in the quick setup manual. I think it will try to set up and then turn it green. So we need to make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on on our deco mobile app. Alright, I have checked. I think it is fine. Now I'm going to the next screen. It's asking me to join, and it is trying to find. So when I tried to find first time, I was not able to join for first time. but I kept trying, and second time I was pretty successful. Let's see, maybe it was coming third time. So when it's become steady, I think we can try searching. Oh, okay. So I hope I'll be able to connect this time for sure. Alright, sounds good. It's connected to Deco, and then it asks for selecting where we are putting this so that we can remember it easily, and it is trying to see if internet is connected, or what is the type of the internet it is connected through. Seems like it is trying to auto detect. Alright, so it is asking for other options. I'm selecting dynamic IP and just making sure. Alright, so as soon as we connected, it asked me to give a Wi-Fi network name. I'm giving my older Wi-Fi name itself so that I can connect the device as it is. And also it is asking for when do you want to update. So it was by default 3 to 5 a.m. so that it can update the device firmware if it is required automatically from 3 to 5 a.m. Alright, it's creating the Wi-Fi network. As we see, the light is green now. Alright, so now we can connect, and it gave me the name of the Wi-Fi, and I just clicked on join, and now it is trying to connect to our Deco router. Okay, alright, it is connected, and now it is connecting the internet connection. Alright, so we got now completed the setup of the Deco, and it is connected to internet, and we can now plug in other Deco devices, and we can also see it gives us the placement guide, like how we should put our Deco devices so that it have a maximum coverage. If I select 1 floor and this is a 2 floor, and if it is a 3 floor, how we should put it. Alright, I'm going next, and it's also giving me the suggestion we should not put any devices within some confined space, but rather in an open space, and also should not be near large electrical appliances to minimize the interference. Alright, so let's follow their advice and then try to see until it all light LED pulse blue, and then we can set it up. So currently I am skipping this part. Let's go to next page. Alright, so now it will show on the top what is a network name, and then as we can see, my all the old device is already connected. Oh, it's asked me for a rating. So let's now test the internet speed. So seems like it is inside the Deco app itself. They have provided the way to do an internet speed test, and when I checked, it is using speed test by Ookla. Now it seems like checking the uploading speed. Alright, so we got 491 Mbps as a download and 425 as upload speed. Please note that my internet speed is kept at 300 Mbps, but maybe sometimes it shows a little higher, but I think this is pretty good, and I was sitting exactly next to it, so seems like it is fine. And I think there is a Wi-Fi settings. Inside that we can see the channel width for 5 gigahertz. Whatever is recommended, I have kept the same. And now as we see, there are 8 clients, and we can see all the clients here, like what all things are connected, Android phone and all other things. Alright, thank you for watching. Please comment below on what you want to watch next. Thank you for watching.